through max Q, maximum dynamic pressure.
Throttle back those RD-180s.
Now 55 seconds into flight. Atlas is 7 miles in altitude, 4 miles downrange distance, traveling at 1900 miles per hour. RD-180 is now throttling back up.
They backed off the throttle to
Now
reduce
at
the
75
stress on the
seconds
rocket.
into flight, Atlas is 13 miles in altitude, 10 miles downrange distance, traveling at 2700 miles per hour. Now at 90 seconds into flight, ULA's Atlas V rocket weighs now just 1/2 of what it did at launch, burning propellant at a rate of more than 2,600 pounds per second.
In 10 seconds, those solid rocket motors on the side will cut off. Beautiful shot from space.
SRBs have burned out as expected, and we see a good SRB jettison.
Clear shot of those
Vehicle's now
SRBs.
executing closed-loop steering.
Here in a few seconds, they're going to throttle back up.
Vehicle performance looks good at this time. Now 135 seconds into flight. Standing by for payload fairing jettison. And we've seen a successful payload fairing jettison.
Good shot of those fairings.